guys, it's Chris here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a digital camera step by step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with a rectangle. Maybe we're looking at this from a little bit of an angle. So I'm going to bring this just along the top like that, down the side, and follow it just like that. So it looks like it's a little rectangle kind of on a diagonal. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the sides here to make it look like it has some dimension. Kind of bring a line going down the side, just going parallel with that first line. And then along the top, I'm going to do a line kind of going diagonal like that, and then following this line across and connecting. So there we have our kind of thin digital camera outline. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the circle for the lens. So I got one circle here. And now, since it's on an angle, this circle is going to come just off the side and kind of go down just like that. And then we got one that's a little bit bigger. So I'm going to do this just like this. And kind of follow it around. All right. So now you can color this in, just make it a little bit darker because this is the lens. If you want to leave a little bit of a highlight on it, you can do that as well. Of course, if you have different colors, that also helps as well. And we'll emphasize the shapes. I'm just going to do a kind of a pink circle around the outside here. And then I'm going to take my handy white and kind of fill this out here. And then maybe it has a logo or whatever up here, so you can kind of put whatever you want up there. It has the flash, of course, at the top, which you can draw just like that. Maybe you want to use it in yellow, you can do that as well. There's usually an extra eye hole right here. And then you got like a little side where you put you can open it up and attach your USB or whatever right over here. And you can kind of color that in. If you have like a metallic marker or a metallic pencil with paint, that probably would work a lot better than a marker to give it a little more of a digital kind of like modern look. Maybe there's another kind of logo down here. And then maybe you want to kind of connect just a USB cable or something off the side. There you go, guys. That's how to draw a digital camera step by step. So good luck and stay creative.